check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, how you doing? This video is about the attacks of the Capitol riots or revolution of the Capitol. It happened on June 6, 2021, from like they say from 12:53 to like almost 5:40, and there's a couple good videos. Frontline PB has a good documentary about this. There's the HBO documentary for 4 hours in the Capitol, and New York Times did excellent video of it. And the cool thing about these idiots filmed themselves doing it. They took so much pride, and most of them are anti-maskers, so most of their face were revealed. You know, made things put easier. They say around 700 are being evicted. Courage, you got that one. The cues on the idiot. There's like the makeup, and in his reason he did this because he's saying that because everybody's picking on him. And I've been picked up in school, and so I'm just standing up for Trump. I mean, Trump don't care about you, and some of these idiots believe that Trump's going to beat. You know, he was a friend of the riot. You know, he's I'll march with you, I'll come with you, I'll fight for you, I'll be with you. No, he was just drinking tea and enjoying this because he wanted this. And these fools were a bunch of pawns, the whole thing. And they thought, oh, you know, Trump will help us out. Trump don't care about you. Get your head out of your ass, you morons. So pretty much 5 of them died, the protesters. 1 gunshot, 1 overdose, and 3 were natural causes. And of course the PD got 38 got injured. 73 were Capitol Police and 65 for the Metro PD. And there's one video of them tasing this one guy who suffered some brain damage during the whole thing. One of the Metro PDs. He got tased like 5 times in the head. So this is the result of trying to change Congress and Vice President Pence overturn elections. It didn't do anything. Unfortunately, 4 officers completed suicide after the whole thing. And then later on, the same people were afraid of their lives, changed their mind. Oh, it was, you know, peaceful protesting. You know, one senator said I couldn't tell the difference from people, tourists coming over or the reservation going on. I couldn't tell the difference. How can you see a bunch of tourists showing up with, you know, armor stuff and bats and, you know, rushing into the Capitol and breaking windows? I never seen this. So this happened. So it isn't making terrorists. These fools are traitors, in my opinion, and they're a disgrace to this country. This is how it, and some reason they think Trump is like some great hero, some great wonderful man here to save us. No, he's not. Most politicians don't give a crap. Trust me, the mirror is coming down right now. They screw you guys. I'm gonna hide in my cave, you know. So, I mean, that's my opinion about the whole thing. I think most of these people are just stupid morons and disgraceful. And the amazing thing, the whole thing lasted 4 hours. And it started laying down when Trump finally put a video, you know, come back, I love you. Trump never said anything, you know, the whole thing. During the 4 hours near the end, when he finally made that video on his Twitter, he's like, you know, just angry more people. And people rushed it. And how many people go to a rally wearing weapons? You know, all this, you know, and the same fools that criticize the Black Lives Matter movement, you know, protesting, all the, you know, the burnings, all that. They do the same thing, and some are cops, some are military. The ones, you know, are, you know, the crazy thing about the whole thing was, you know, they're going to the cops saying, on your rope at the Capitol. You know, we have these, you know, sticks, you know. We're here because it's like you ever seen Mars Attack? It's like the alien to the speaker saying, you know, we come in peace, we come in peace. You know, we're here on your oath. We're, you know, I mean, you're traitors. They're traitors. And they're just so stupid and realize, you know, that's how this country's not run. Angry, you know, there's other ways of doing things, but this is not the right way of doing it. And they're just delusional to the next level. So that's why I say don't forget too angry. Like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Maybe we'll do better next time. We try different things for this channel, and I guess I'll get too angry. Alright, bye.